Uria na guchiria sibire ngobi bwenerete ngokeanie amaruire ao gakubwatrana n'abanyagitari ao asumurubilio wokomenyukuya kebo chenu.
So that is why we are teaching mwanchwa murigereria omugusio ito mwanyagitingo ito ingari tokiri tokende tokoraririrwa gatokuria na riratokonye igori tokiri tokoraririrwa ndikakitomenye buya kemocha
buna botambe ngobatabinga eyanje bwanje
kirari tukuria Jumatano enseye munenusu ya Maragoba aiga Ndizi TV Kiru
Letukoneria chumaina chitariki 15 mutinyo kabiro mwaka 2022 chinga ngukore ne SMS yetu ya mangana maya ye Chinsa Isano Ibere linkomanyi na na gusangiri kuri yakete gwikaboniga no kubori kwane nyaro kuba munanje gwikomera nyirana bakwenda gutubwatia senseme ya mitandao tonyora senseme ya Facebook Ndizi TV News baiga senseme ya YouTube na bagotonyora Ndizi TV News baigo na bagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News nekerengereri kyao ni gotokiarigana tikiretaika wetera ase namba yira seskini ya igora bwo kaba munanji wikomailio kumanyi ayuamo na mange buna butambe tetariane Brighton Makoli. Ekaro tuendelea kuyaria no jasoba jorio bonne bomwako yo igani gobono mo county police commander we county ya Kisii France Koli anyareka gotabuna ni gobone merobiri ya bene ya bekiru eri kwene kibuna oborendi mboisa inase county ya Kisii bogo ni gateberuna nirebiya abantu bonse gwetanga kurwa chingwana chichanya chigoturani omorembe asibona ateberuna ni gobono be ariganiti gocha soba jorio bonne bomwako yo iga anene asensemo yoborendi.
I'm happy to report that we are prepared regionally in our county, regionally and nationally, prepared for this event, for this exercise that will be coming or that we've already started. The other thing I want to share is we are prepared in terms of bringing order and ensuring that people respect the rule of law. The rule of law must be adhered to by all Kenyans and all leaders and everybody who is in this county and in this country. We want to give an example of some incidents that were reported recently and where we acted, where one gentleman slapped a lady while in one of the political rallies. So we want to tell Kenyans that people will have to respect the law whether they like it or not, because the law was brought to bring order so that it doesn't disadvantage some people in the society, and it is to bring respect and protection of human rights and humanity. For us, we are well prepared and will stand firm to ensure Kenyans are protected from goons and those who are ready to break the law. And we are not going to entertain that one. If it means even stopping all business to look for one individual, we will stop to ensure that Kenyans get their right and justice.
Asa chinga keje juu Commander Francisco ni gabana arurege kurege tindiko cha sabasai anne bali baranyale ba gutumiwa n'abana siasa guturbani mega au ya bana siasa ni gabana terna basai teribuya guturbania gosugo swanania gosugutumiwa n'abana siasa guturbani gosugo sario marembe miyense yitu ya Kenya anene asorongorwa gusigo sase county ya Kisii koli ni gabana tebira basai banyale ba gwetanga kurwa chimbu ejo gose banyale ba kwiruge tambagero kerichiko.
To our youth, you will carry your cross alone. If you choose to be used, finally you will be in police custody alone to answer those charges or to answer for the crime you've committed. No other person will be held responsible for your own behavior. Each individual will carry his own cross. So be prepared for that. And the only advice that I will give you that is for free, desist from being used. Kula pesa, enda nulia watoto yako nyama na ugali na ndizi. And the other things, wachia siasa wanasiasa kazi yao.
Asa matuka mange nige byombe aho byanyari biwe soki na gusiro mwana munyaruka kolende asiarakane buno mwana mumura nigo atigiru maiga bono nigo oyo mugwasiri oranzi gose oyibo igo ole omurwaniri gwa bana bamura anyareka we soki na kuburia byombe aho we soke na gokonya omwana mumura oyigo asate bino chikanisa nchibwateri bagali nene kwa omwana mumura libaga ekero yarakane buna omwana mumura konyora nigo ebirwe
twatwarira obokongu obututa bantu bange bataranyara korra no bokongu twanyare ko batugutwara mbulinga omwana omumura bono soire koira na magiga omwana omunyaruka ngaenderete gukina nari gusabaiga ntunya nonye kinde epo child advocate timenetinga no omwana omumura bwekango tetera nje nigo nganchira netinga mbuyo omwana omunyaruka nyarete goteteu lakini ntotete e community yaito ebege gukina kere balanced ntotete omwana omumura no omwana enyaruka bonse banyare ko bagukina teta keiri to tete omwana omunyaruka bweka kirengaki ekigwikira omwana omumura etoke ngatabwati inguru na ndo chikoro osirichi ko naende ngana ntigatokonya omwana omumura nare gosaba kero omonto andonsi asore omugaka omongina abana abaito tigatosoe kurwanirira omwana oito omumura nere atware chinguru ache koimokia echukumu eriaye ayetu ne pipiria na kuru creation ekerenya satungetense kero omonto naye twechikumu yaye neyo nigiranyara ko bagekwendera ekero omwana omumura nere aranyara kubwa gagoteteu tabase gutigumagiga achikwiranana egere achigutigara atayokora bintu biri byaye ikanisa cheito kamuranje abantu baitu mwensipi chikanisa nachikwane sengencho chikanisa chiklachi asemure inumu bwate chinguru cyo kwanira abantu baitu nande batware a positive attitude.
Nonye binyi bya COVID-19 bwenderete kwirana inse gose okoranda kwebinyi bwenderete kwirana inse nigo bono aba menyi be county ya Kisii gose gusiagi mabanyare bako semiwa kubwati amajiko namaragwali abekire erigwetanga kurwaso koranda kwebinyi biboigo nigo banyare bakuboriwa banyare bawe soki na konyore chanjo ya COVID-19 erigwetanga kurwase binyi ebi nigo bono baburi buna nonye mekutano ya siasa gose mekutano ya siasa kegenderete kwenekiwa yorongorwa gusi goikabantu banyare bago chanjwa erikwena kibuna binyi mbiri koranda asorogongo rwagusigo kwana negetaseni Ndizi TV Walter Bichanga okibo oigo oyi orumurwaneri bw'abana bamura kunatweka koteba nigo bana aboli abamenyi be county ya Kisii kwesokia na kubetu sindani ya COVID-19.
Vaccination ya COVID yabera avail asinyagitaria ao abantu bagenderete ko babakubetwa litangani abantu baito mwanyagitinge ni maeta abantu batwarto bwobanga esindani ene bwata madharaye rumors yekabage gwetu wetare ngendonge lakini eyo yanyale ko bage kwirene abantu baito bande mayiga mbachi kubetwa esindani nale kubakikishiraiga kamuranchi asemwaika mwanyagitinge totebanie kene muntu tayori wanja aita abantu ensengima asokurwe sindani etayingiya asemwanya abantu babetirwe abantu ensengima ensengima yonse abantu babetirwe mumanyete gento kyabere bali bareko resist mono abande baro basiriria magimabo nense negenderete igo nale kuba sorraiga boniga ki vaccine kiro chisaine monasi county yaito ya Kisii na ensengima na Kenya ngima kamuranje esoki asobonge akikisha kwa betirwe esindani ya COVID na ende irorerwe eri mune dose chetakeire egera bwetange ngatorochega go kibusyo ngoikera tochigutiga chi mask kero montabe free na ende economy yaitu tekoyoka ngonya ntuiko nyara ko bato kubetu esindani ende elio ebintu binde binyare ko bigotena ebiashara birane buna byalenke kawaida na rino ene chigasi kiratoke.
Ekro yarekana matuko magega umurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta no mukonyo ye William Ruto bakungusanana nekro banyara bakwirana ndi igoro yamangana asiasa nigobono abarai nsema yabarai kurwa sensema ya Central bakura ono mugabana Onyeri Mutai Kahiga anyareka wate abuna mbali tayari gujukwirania okoboko na kumwakera umurai bwe kyamagia uda oyibo igoro mukonyo bumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto kumwajigura eriko bumurai yogatana sensi ito ya Kenya nigobono Kahiga anyareka wate abuna goikabaikirani eira eribalirete Ruto banangujibara kumwachukura umwaka oyoiga.
Na kama chama cha UDA unajua wacha niwaambie vile nimesikia maneno mkieleza deputy president, msije mkamchanganya hapa ati hapa mnaweka MCA sijui ya wapi sijui nini ya wapi ni, kwa sababu hiyo mipango yote si mnajua ward specific ilianza Nyeri. Ward specific ni nini? Hapana bottom up. Si ni bottom up. Maneno ya watu kuja kugawa pesa huko kwa mashinani. Si tulianza hapa. Kwa hivyo hata sisi tunapo vile nimesikia ndio hiyo program ziende vizuri. Tunataka tukae tukiwa kitu kimoja, si ndio? Kwa hivyo nyinyi watu wa Nyeri tuetakwa kugana gwekatia. Na ithuere kaitwaliema watoto wa Maumau sisi hatuwezi kuchanganya mtu. Tukiweka ahadi, tutatimiza hiyo ahadi. Kanatiguo. Hata kama ni nini tutafikisha wapi? Pale. Kanatiguo. Hatuwezi kuwa tunachanganywa na ni vizuri. Tuseme tu, we are welcoming His Excellency the President. Aje na yeye. Lakini kwa vile Ruto amemchagua mara 3. Yeah? In fact ni mara 4. Kwa sababu hata wakati ya KANU huyu aliweka kura yake pale. Atafutia huyo mwingine lakini kura yake aletee hii mwanaume. Kule hadhire. Kile tiguo. Hata huyo mwingine ni sawa lakini alipe deni. Huyu mwanaume amemchagua mara ngapi? Na yeye aweke kura mara ngapi? Alafu hiyo ingine afanyie hiyo ingine. Ama namna gani? Tuko pamoja watu wa Nyeri. Turehamwe. Tunaambia rais wetu tunayempenda hivyo. Korea dhire na kuweka atia. Hakuna njia ingine, deni dawa yake ni kuli. Namna hatuna mengine na tunamheshimu na tunampenda, si ndio? Agenda ile ingine tuko nayo na ni vizuri tuseme. Hapa Nyeri kuna barabara ambazo pengine kwa miezi 8 hazitaisha. Hizo za barabara, hizo za nini? Ni vizuri tuseme ukweli mudhenyake. Sasa yule walianza naye ndiye atakuja kumaliza ama ni huyu alikuwa na pinga hiyo kazi? Si alikuwa na pinga wakati ule kwa sababu alikuwa opposition. Si ni namna hiyo? Sasa anajua hata barabara za Maumau ziko wapi. Si tuache yule ambaye yako aje atumalizie kazi ama namna gani watu wetu? Si ni namna hiyo? Basi naibu wa rais umesikia? Tumeongea hapa tukiwa watu wa Nyeri, tumekuahidi na tumekuambia. Na tunakushukuru kwa sababu ya vile unaendelea na sisi. Na zaidi ya yale maneno ambao umeyashika, yale ambao umeambiwa na hao wananchi, wanafurahia hayo maneno wamekuambia, na nina uhakika kwa sababu abaimokire sawa. Hayo maneno ambao wamesema ninajua umeyashika na yataform the basis of the
Karato kuskabosioni gobono mugwasiri buborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nyarega kwena kiria bakenya buna obochori ni gobojo korekana asenjera yo bwasioku ni gobono hatebirana ni gobojo kubwaterana ne byombe au anane kyombe gerikyo obojo ne chimbe IBC kwena kibuna obochori korekana buna asenjera ere yo marembe na obwasioku bogo ni gaja kwantaya litukurigoro ekeroba umeranete egasekera umeranete na babwatani au beji serikali cheisiko anene bali balengete kumanya na kiense itu ya Kenya yarigenitu cha sobochori obonene.
As a country, we are ready to proceed and facilitate the IEBC to conduct elections. The agencies that have got the constitutional mandate to facilitate the IEBC are here. As for the conduct of the general elections, that is the matter of the IEBC, because an independent constitutional, we have given assurances that we will do our part and we will continue to ensure that the country remains peaceful and stable and is prepared effectively for the transition.
It is important for us partners as a group to interact very closely during these election times and to better understand how the government is organizing itself to achieve its results and bring continuity to our process. We've been all engaged a lot in investing in this country.
The United Nations received Kenya government's request to provide and coordinate some electoral support. We have a small mission in country right now that will be working very closely with Kenya government, with the IABC and key stakeholders, just to put flesh on those bones, the kind of support that we can hope to add to what already is very impressive.
Mugumanire bwe county ya Murang'a Sabina Chege ni gorero ikirana simambia leo ni ikirana ase kiombe kyobojo ne chimbebe gose committee ose kamati ye kiombe kyobojo ne chimbebe IBC erigo chikukwana ose keraenderete kunengiwa ne chingwana nyaraka okwana ekero akwana chingwana gete wena ense ya Kenya ni erigeti kuiba chikura ekero chikura chiwa kwa somwa koyo ni gorero ikasi gikari kyuge kuragwa na umunyakero gwe kiombe kya IBC ofura chipkati asaikirana na baroya baye bakoragwa na moseneta Osiaya James Orengo.
Let me welcome you to this sitting of the Commission's Electoral Code of Conduct Committee. Cases on breach of the Electoral Code of Conduct, and the committee is not bound in its operations by strict rules of evidence and the Criminal Procedure Code. So for today, we are only focused on the matter before us, and I would like all involved in this matter to strictly be focused on the matter before it. And let's conduct ourselves with decorum and utmost respect to the committee and the authority of this committee. And with those few remarks, I would like to ask the Secretary, Mr. Weir, to read the statement of breach.
In the matter of the second schedule of the Elections Act, in the matter of breach of the Electoral Code of Conduct, subject Honorable Sabina Wanjiru Chege, Murang'a County Woman Member of the National Assembly. Statement of breach. It is breach of Clause 6A and Clause 6L of the Electoral Code of Conduct. Particulars of breach are as follows. That Honorable Sabina Wanjiru Chege, Murang'a County Woman Member of the National Assembly, you are accused that on the 10th of February 2022, while at a public rally at Isibuye area within Vihiga County, you uttered the following words. Mnajua kule Central nimesikia wengine wakisema hapa tuliwaibia. Kuna kaukweli kidogo. Lakini kama tulijua kuiba, si hata hii tutafanya nini? Wanafikiria wao ndio wajanja. Which words contained in your statement creates an impression that the Jubilee Party, to which you belong, in quotes, stole the 2017 general elections and that it plans to steal or compromise the general elections 2022. Further, your statement casts aspersions on the integrity of the general elections 2017, specifically that the voting system
Mwanjumuri ayuna na kware ni chinse chiga kodindike koraga chinsa 10 kwira na semesa mangana mayeri nkomanyi na twendete kugusangirira ime na isiko ya gusio no kuboli kwano nyara kwenda kubwate merobiri yaito anene keronko te ino nyara kunyibwatia ali asensema ya mitando nyojonda asensema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News baga asensema ya YouTube na bagotonyara Ndizi TV News ne kerengeri kya uni gotukerga ndi butambe gwetera ase namba yera seskini ya igora abwo ni ngugusabira na kugutwara umugaso muya bana butambe retariane Brighton Makoli.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi. Ndizi TV obwenso bw'omuguzi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na bwigo chinkeno nukukigima na bwigo tonyora asoro gonkor bw'omuguzi neji kaunti chito etanaine una kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na Smart TV.